super quiet today. Wow, no wind. Let's see here if I'm smart enough to do this. When we get moving down here, you can see there are schools of fish in the water. Let me see if I can show them to you. Right out off the boat bow. See them? There's all kinds of fish in here, little ones that the guys net for. They call them plateau. They're about like yay. But they'll go out and they'll catch, you know, a couple kilos of those, and then they'll go to the market and sell them. They're tasty, but they're tiny. Well, this will be an easy paddle out to the marker today. Here, I'll show you this. There's a Catholic church up here, of all things. Hang on. Let's see if I'm able to do this. Yeah, I didn't expect to run into one of those here in Thailand. A Catholic church. There's mostly Buddhism in the central part of the country. And then up towards China in the hill country, there's pockets of Christianity. The missionaries came many years ago to do the Christianity up there. And some of it stuck with the hill tribes, so you'll see these animist hill tribes, and then periodically you'll see a Christian church up there. Well, I can't get this thing adjusted right. Hang on. Let's see if this will work here. There we go. I think I got it. What up? Good morning, good morning.
Morning, huh?
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, it's just like glass out here. So smooth. A lot of times I'll come through here, I can't even get through here because the water's so stirred up from the tide. This is big elbow bend right here, and the current and the wind can really whip it up so that I don't think I could keep the boat upright. Certainly wouldn't be able to make any headway in here. But then when the current changes, it just lays down flat like this, really, really calm. It's just like a mirror out here today. And then down further to the south, after you go through the Bangkok area, that's all Buddhist. All the central part of the country is Buddhist. And then you get to the southern peninsula area, down towards Malaysia, it switches over to Islam. So you see lots of the Islamic influence in the buildings, and certainly the clothing. The men wear their traditional, I don't know which sect of Islam it is, but the women certainly they wear head coverings. Yeah, it's right across the river from where we are. It's an interesting feeling. You come out here in the evening to do a paddle, and you'll head out towards the Gulf over there, and you'll hear the chants from the monks at the different temples. There are temples on both sides of the river. So around 4:30 in the afternoon, they do their evening prayer, and you'll hear them chanting in Sanskrit, and then you'll hear the church bells ring from here. So you get the bells and the chants, and it's very surreal with the setting. It's an unusual feeling to have both. Really, really beautiful though. You can see there's fish right in here. It's bad mojo to throw a net or to try to fish right in front of the temples, because the Buddhists believe in good luck. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Good luck in setting animals loose. So they'll go into the market and they'll buy living catfish, or they'll buy living sparrow birds, and then they'll come down and set them free at the temple, because it's supposed to bring them good luck, good karma. So they don't like it if you come down to fish right in front of the temple. It's kind of frowned upon. So if you ever come here, don't do that. Sorry, I know this video is tough to follow because I keep having to reposition my camera. Okay. The boats down here, a lot of them are catching little fish for animal feed, for ducks and for chickens, rather than for human consumption. So they take it off the sea and then they bring it right to the barnyard. Protein. That's what Anya's father did. He had seven boats in his fleet, and it was essentially like one of these jobs here. 150 men, 7 ships. So he was always gone when Anya was little. He wasn't there. He was always at sea. Hard work. Okay, I'm gonna hang up here and make some miles, and I will rejoin you later. Anyhow, bon voyage, I guess.